guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. Today I have a first impressions of Shea Moisture's Bond Repair collection, and it is meant to repair damaged hair bonds, reduce breakage, and strengthen the hair. So some of the key ingredients are amla oil, which moisturizes, it has hydroplex, which strengthens, and a blend of amino, which helps to replenish and protect. All of the products retail for $14 or so, and they all smell really good. It's a light scent, but it's really pretty. So I'm starting with the shampoo, which is supposed to give a gentle cleanse. Now, this shampoo on the bottle, it specifically says that it is supposed to transform your brittle hair and renew your curls with 60% more moisture. So putting this on my hair, it had everything that I look for in a shampoo, a nice lather. It felt nice and moisturizing going on as I was, scrubbing my scalp and all that. My scalp did feel clean. Even though it says gentle, I still feel like I got a nice cleanse. And it had slip, so you can see I can easily put my fingers through. If I wanted to fully detangle with this, I could. But as far as what it claims to do, as far as this 60% moisture, I will say this is definitely a hydrating shampoo. My hair felt really good and it looked really good while also still feeling clean. So far so good. But now we're going on to the conditioner. So the conditioner has a nice creamy consistency. I will say all of the products I used felt pretty lightweight going on my hair. So if you don't like a heavy product, you might want to give this a try. But it says on the bottle that this is supposed to give you renewed curls with 12 times more moisture. And honestly, y'all, I was definitely underwhelmed with this conditioner, but it didn't really shock me because I've never been a big fan of Shea Moisture conditioners. It does not matter what line it is, their conditioners just never hit. I always love their masks much more. So I did continue to still just rake this in my hair. Although it wasn't as moisturizing as I would have wanted it to be, it did still have slip, so I was able to finger detangle, but you guys know I like to do a thorough detangle with my unbrush, which I did, and it says to leave on for 3 minutes. I probably left it on for like a minute or two, and then I rinsed it off, and my hair didn't feel bad. I don't want you guys to think this is just like the worst conditioner ever, but I wouldn't use it again. It was just okay. Now, this is the Bond Repair Mask, and this says that it is supposed to reveal shiny, renewed curls with 13 times ultra moisture. So this had a nice, creamy, a bit thicker consistency compared to the conditioner. And when I put it on my hair, I definitely felt so much more moisture compared to the conditioner. It definitely felt nice and good, creamy, had really good slip. Even though my hair was already detangled, I definitely know I would have been able to detangle with this as well. Just felt really good and softening, so I was very happy about that. How long does it say to leave on? It says to leave on for just 5 minutes, so I did leave this on while I showered and all that. And I will say, just putting it straight on my hair definitely felt nice and soft, but once I left it on for those 5 minutes and rinsed it, my hair felt so good, like literally just super duper soft. So I was very happy with the end result. So overall, I would definitely recommend the shampoo and mask. I can't speak to the stronger hair or less breakage just because it was my first time using the collection, but I will say my hair felt super just healthy after this wash day and super soft and hydrated. So if you like bond repair products, especially ones that will also moisturize your hair, I would say give these a try. But let me know your guys' thoughts and let me know if you guys have tried these products. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.